Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a boomerang on Instagram. A boomerang mode on Instagram stories lets you create attractive mini videos that loop back and forth. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can create a boomerang video. Go to the Instagram Home tab, swipe right or press on your story in the top left corner of the screen. Once the camera window opens, hit the boomerang icon on the left. Click and hold on the button in order to make your boomerang. After that, tap the infinity icon at the top of the screen, and you will be able to choose from effects like Classic, Slow-mo, Echo, and Duo. When the effect is selected, hit Done in the top right corner. Now you can edit your boomerang by using filters, inserting stickers, drawing or writing something. Once the boomerang is ready, press on the Send To button and share your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a boomerang on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.